If you want to know how to export Calendly contacts, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest way to download your contacts from Calendly so you can back them up, organize them, or use them in another tool like a CRM or email platform. This is a simple process, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're signed in, look at the left-hand navigation menu. This is where you'll find the main tools and sections inside your account. Find and click on Contacts. This will take you to your contact list, where Calendly keeps the people who have interacted with your scheduling links. Now that you're in the Contacts section, you can choose exactly which contacts you want to export. If you only need a few specific people, select those contacts manually. If you want to export everything in the list, use the Select All option instead. This is helpful if you're backing up your full contact database or moving data into another system. After you've made your selection, look for the toolbar that appears on the page. In that toolbar, click Export. Once you click it, Calendly will prepare your contact file for download. Depending on how many contacts you selected, this may happen right away or it may take a moment to process. In many cases, you'll be able to download the file directly from the screen. If not, Calendly may send you a CSV file link to the email address associated with your account. So if you don't see the download happen immediately, check your inbox and even your spam or promotions folder just in case the message was filtered there. When you open the exported file, it should be in CSV format, which is easy to use in spreadsheet tools like Excel or Google Sheets. From there, you can sort your contacts, clean up the data, import it somewhere else, or save it as a backup for future use. That's especially useful if you're managing leads, clients, or event registrants and want a simple copy of your contact data outside Calendly. And that's really all there is to it. You just logged into Calendly, opened contacts, selected the people you wanted, and exported the list in a few clicks. It's a quick workflow, but it can save you a lot of time when you need to move or back up your contacts. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.